Garden update, July 15th. Got the chickens out and about. Two of my gladiolas have sprouted. These guys are still doing great. But today we have some ripe figs. Oh, I'm so stoked about these figs. I have been really worried they weren't gonna make this year. We've got figs. Two ripe today. The sweet potatoes are doing great. I planted some also in this bucket, and it looks like today some zinnias drying, and of course it rained. Had to completely cover up one of the raised beds because the chickens were getting in there. Oh, this girl. Whitey, get out of there. Get out of there, girl. The corn is doing good. Not as good as it could. I need to put down some hay or some natural wood mulch. Come on, girl. Oh, this one's the nice one. Got some jalapenos to pick today. I think it's already turned red out there. Whichever pepper plant this one is, it's doing alright. We do have tomato in here. I want to say these are heirlooms. Beans are finally popping up. But some of these peppers have made it. This one will make it. I'm not sure about those. Not time for basil. Nope. Apparently basil does not like the heat. I don't know if it's something my chickens did to it. I did end up cutting a bunch from these too, which kind of saved this one, besides the chickens. Gonna make some pasta pizza. This is a sucker from this massive beast. This thing is so big. I don't know if you can tell, but it was going way up and then it fell to one side and to the other side. So we're gonna see how that goes. I mean, it's shading everything, but there's still plenty of sun. The one bell pepper the chickens did not eat. Oh no. And all the corn right here is corn I got from my brothers. And these first two rows were from store seed. But man, I planted store seed at least a week before this other one. And this other one is doing so much better. It's so much greener and just looks healthier. We've got some broccoli sprouted inside. This is cabbage, which desperately needs to go in the ground. Maybe today, since it's over last but not least, the zinnias. Here's the ones where the board fell and crushed them all. But my rose bush is coming back, and it's got some blooms. And the zinnias are crazy. Hey, black and white. Taserface is over there, second one. That white one's the new chick. They make a mess, these chickens, man. Luckily, they haven't killed my last sunflower. Looks like they came for it today, but haven't killed it. I put some kitchen scraps in this old garden bed. I pulled out almost all the pots in, and they've been pecking it clean. Oh, hey girl. You started running at me like a raptor. Wonder if she will too. Hey, Whitey. Come on, girl. I love when they run. What are you doing? Yeah, Whitey's always got to see what the fuss is all about. Alright, clean it up, girls. Oh, there's still some sugar snap peas in there. They ate out the seeds. Bye, girls. And this is today's harvest.